Perfect. Ready to go.
Yes. Hello, audience, and the moment has come, which I was also waiting from so many days. We have Harsha in the Hatke mood. So she needs no introduction, but as she is there present with us, definitely I would like to speak few lines for her. Small Wonders founder and director, ECA core committee member, president of TAI, and admin of FMC. So these are, yes, उनको हाथ जोड़ना पड़ता है. Thank you so much, Harsha ma'am, for being here. You know that protocol has always come that to Harsha ma'am, Harsha ma'am. So let me tell you that it is everyone knows that I know her from so many years. We all know her, but after 25 to 30 years of knowing her, there are so many questions that are popping in my mind, and and the audience are also there who have so much to know about her. More as we know her, more we want to know more her strategies, her thinking. So I will not waste any minute and shoot my first question to her, as definitely we are going to grill her up today with all possible things I want to ask her. So this is the first question, और ये जो question है हर कोई जो उनको पहचानता है ना जानना चाहता है, everyone, that how do you manage each and everything so efficiently? Please tell us your management strategies.
So first of all, thank you, Pooja. And this grill word really, when I come across this word, when you termed this word that I want to grill you, I was literally scared. But when you told me briefly that, okay, this grill is going to be very soft and this grill is going to be very pleasant, I was really happy and a little relaxed. So thank you, Pooja, for being so generous in not grilling me. The first question that you have put about the management strategies. So Pooja, I don't know from where I've got that, but specifically I would like to mention कि मेरी second जो child हुआ मेरी बेटी, उसके बाद I don't know from where I got that energy. Because to be very honest, I know that you will start laughing when I talk about this, because all the time when I mention this you have to smile, that there is a huge gap between both my children. My son is in the college third year and my daughter is in grade 1. So you can imagine the amount of creativity, the amount of energy that pops in. So when I got the news that I'm expecting for the second time, I had a mixed feeling. शौक है या खुशी है समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था. So then after my daughter was born, suddenly I don't know, energy का बरसात हुआ और energies इतनी मिली. So the whole credit I would like to give to my daughter, because she keeps me driving, Pooja. So that's my answer.
Yes, so she is your lucky charm, and everyone, she's so cute. We all know. So for you, she's your lucky charm. That's really very nice. And my next question is, ये सारे जो भयानक भयानक आइडियाज आते हैं, आज ये करना है, कल वो करना है, so many planned events. I know people can plan, but the execution part is so justified. So please tell us that how do you do justice to all possible things you put into your plans?
So Pooja, about ideas, I would like to mention here, this word is my favorite. In my sessions also, I've been using this word, that these ideas are not ideas, they are bhutia ideas. And I think I will give this credit to my dad, because when I was young, I'm brought up in such a way that my upbringing was very independent. I had all possible independence to think, to talk. That freedom of movement, the freedom of speech was there. तो कभी दिमाग में ऐसा आता ही नहीं था कि ये चीज नहीं हो सकती है. So anytime I used to tell my dad that papa આ કરવું છે તો he will never come up કે કેવી રીતે કરશું, let's do it. So he was also that kind of a person. He's still that kind of a person who loves challenges. तो हम लोग ये नहीं सोचते कि ये होगा या नहीं होगा. We jump into it and then we figure out the ways. So I think I will give this credit to my dad, because upbringing matters a lot.
Yes, here I will add that there is a code behind every successful woman. There is a man, there is a successful woman, but then with a successful woman, there is an understanding person behind one's your father. And I will not forget to take your husband's name as I know him, Girish. And the third person is Manav, who takes all the back ends, taking care of
So I will
everything so
I
well.
will be I will be very generous in giving the credit because they are the strong pillars. So if you count my husband, because when I was getting married, all my friends, including you, had mentioned कि पप्पा जेवा husband मरे तो सारू. So that was a challenge to get a husband like how your dad is. So I was blessed in that manner because I have the same kind of husband who gives me all kind of liberty, all kind of freedom. I'm sure that that is the way ahead, to do things. So Pooja, I'm really blessed to have these three men in
Yes.
my life.
That's very nice. Now, one more question which I want to know. If you weren't an educator, then what you must have been?
So
So
Pooja,
much you have done in the world of education.
so I think actually jab se I have started understanding, since my young age, I have always been a teacher because my father tells me, when I was 3 4 year old, since that time I used to tell my dad, मुझे एक board लाके दीजिए, मुझे chalk लाके दीजिए, duster लाके दीजिए. So I think since that time I have thought only to become a teacher. I've never thought of any other profession, but yes, I like to speak a lot. So my husband keeps on telling me that if you would not have been an educator, I'm sure I would have been a news anchor. I think that is what my husband tells me because my chapper 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 goes on all the time.
We are the proof of that, that the chapper chapper goes on keeping. Thank you for that answer. But and a very interesting question I have for you now is that we all would like to know who is your role model in your life.
So Pooja, a role model, I have a bank of people, wherein role model is concerned. So number one are my parents, of course, because a lot of learning comes from there. Because specifically, if I mention about my dad, he is the biggest role model till date because I have seen him struggling in life. We all. I have been in a very mediocre family, a very, very middle class family, and I have seen him how he struggled and how he has brought us all up. But that smile on his face, my father has only studied till class 4. But today also, if you see his management skills, his administration skills, you will become his fan, So I think for me, the first role model is my dad. Second, there are many, many, many in that category. So I would like to mention Dr. Swati Popat Watts. Yes, she is one of the biggest role model because I look upon her because the kind of energy she generates, the kind of work she does, and multi personality. She is into multiple things and each and everything I find her to be very perfect. So I think that my list does not end here. There are many people, but these two I'm sure I will mention here, Pooja. Thank you.
Yes, your father, we know that. And about Swati ma'am, I just went to the comment, and Swati ma'am was also waiting to know that how do I grill you. She had commented, "Oh, aayega maza." Even everyone is, waiting that catch hold of you and ask you everything. So now this question is like stress. Like if you talk about me, I'm all the time I'm stressed. But when we see you, you are always smiling, smiling when all possible answers you have. So do you face any stress factor? And if you face, then how do you manage?
So Pooja, for example, stress, I would really like to term it because whatever I do, I am in love with that thing, So I think for me, stress does not come. Yes, I get stressed, when people do not listen, when people are not accountable. That gives me little stress. But otherwise, when it is concerned to me myself, I do all the work that I love. So I don't think that stress exists. But yes, if at all it exists, I think family plays a very important role in that respect because it's very important that when you are stressed, your family is at the back end, and the family support brings you out from that stress or helps you hands hold you to take out the stress from you. So I think that whenever I am into any trouble, my husband is there for the rescue. So it's a relaxed feeling, कि अभी stress होगा तो then Girish is there to look after. So I think my stress buster is Girish. So if you all have that Girish, not my Girish, your own Girish, but if you have that, I think stress does not exist anymore. And stress word is, how you take it. If you love what you do, I don't think stress comes.
That is a very nice line, that if you love what you do, then there is no kind of stress. But तुम्हारा stress अगर गिरीश उठाता है तो बेचारा, I can understand how he must be handling everything. Now, a question like all the audience, I suppose, would like to know the journey of your life from, as we know, you being a teacher to educator and now heading so many organizations. Please tell us about the journey of your life.
So, Pooja, as I mentioned, the journey of my life, can you give me a moment just to connect the charger so that it does not go off? Just a moment, huh, Pooja? Till that, you
Yes.
can carry on, Pooja. I'll just come back in a minute.
As we are talking with Harsha, there are so many things we come to know about her, and we always wonder that how things happen so flawlessly when she carries out anything, from an event to some sessions to training teachers, being a president of TI, a core committee member of ECA. Like, there are so many responsibilities on her shoulder, and she takes up flawlessly. That is why we all look upon her and try to do things, little things that she does in a not the same manner, but how much she can contribute to the organization and how much we can. Can you be have you back, Harsha? Hello, Harsha, are you there? I think there's a glitch in the connection. Let me get you back in a minute. We have lost her for a while. I mean,
So hello everyone. As the technology, it takes over at all of you. So there was a little glitch. So I'll come back to the question till Pooja resumes back. The journey of my life. Yes, the journey of my life is really like a roller coaster ride. I was born in a very middle class family. I was blessed with wonderful parents who brought me up the way I am today. So I will give all credit to them. And I was a person full of ambitions. So I had a lot of things to think, a lot of things to do in life, and I always, kept running here and there. My dad has always hand-holded me, and he's given me all the courage in life. Then, to take you further in my journey, I became a school teacher where I joined Amarjyoti Saraswati International School, and there Amarjyoti ma'am was there to guide me. There I had Urmi ma'am with me who hand-holded me. I want to mention all these names here because these people have really played a very important and a major role in my life. So there was Seema ma'am who always, and till today, they all have been a guide, a mentor. They have stood besides me wherever I have fallen down, I have broken, because many life was never a piece of cake, for me. So it was a very struggleful life. But as I mentioned, my dad always was there with me to handhold me, to give me that courage. And that is a very little simple life that I led, Pooja. So I answered your question, Pooja, till you joined, ki the journey
Yes,
of my life.
that's a wonderful stuff. But now it has bloomed, and you are an inspiration to so many, right?
I will
Yes.
take that note as an appreciation, Pooja. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, success is there. So now everyone wants to know the success mantra of yours. What is your success mantra?
So, success mantra, Pooja, basically, I like one quote that if not today, when? If not you, who? So, I think that quote keeps me driving because I am not a person who is a complaint box. So, mera aisa nature hai ki I will start figuring out on myself. I don't depend on people to do. If it is anything. So, I try to take initiative. एंड जैसे शाहरुख खान की मूवी में बोला गया ना कि अगर आप किसी चीज को बहुत शिद्दत से चाहते हो तो देन एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स गैदरिंग सो वेन एवर आई हैव थॉट ऑफ एनीथिंग may it be building up a Thai association, may it be building up small wonders. I think when I started, figuring those things out, automatically I started connecting with right people. So I think the thought process plays an important and an integral role when a dream is concerned and when turning your dream into reality is concerned.
So the power of positivity, you could say that. Yes.
Absolutely, it works.
And one more thing which I like it, आज ये कर लिया, like people like us that एक event हो गया चलो थोड़ी ना we want a break. But when we look to you, that एक के बाद एक it is coming up next. So what keeps you going on?
So it is, Pooja, my mom always tells me that there must be some chakkar inside me. I don't know if it is there or no, but I don't like sitting idle. Sitting idle means not on the sofa. If at all I'm sitting on the sofa, my mind is running. I don't know why. Because if I'm not doing anything that annoys me, so something or the other I feel ki karna hai. And as I said, whenever I think of an idea and I take it a little forward, automatically I get connected with the correct people who help me take it forward. So it keeps me driving. So कोई भी ऐसी चीज है जो ऐसा लगता है कि impossible है, तो मुझे अगर वो मैं चीज को हासिल कर लेती हूँ, it doubles my courage, to take some other initiative. So and at times I have failed. It's not that everything was a cakewalk. At times things have failed, and they have failed in a very disastrous manner. So at that time, your upbringing matters a lot. कि वो जो courage आपके अंदर inbuilt होता है ना, you don't break down. That is a temporary fall down. It's not a breakdown. So again, next day, ola em kehne Gujarati ma nakta. We are those kind of naktas. So if we fall down also, we don't care. We care a hang about that fall down. We again, next day morning, we are the same person as we were the previous day. So I think that keeps me driving, Pooja.
So the answers which we have been hearing, so there is no doubt if we look upon to you as an inspiration, a mentor. So these all your mantras, these all your journey of like thoughts of falling down and coming up is really we look more on upon to you, listening to you. Now, one more witty question I would like to ask: who is the boss in your house? मुझे तो पता है, but I want you to answer on the screen.
Who is the boss? I mean, boss दो तीन तरह के होते हैं. So boss in terms of decision making, or what you want to specifically ask, Pooja? Boss मतलब कौन?
I
जिसका
want to
घर में
ask, हाँ चलती है.
Okay. So Pooja, I will be very generous in giving that credit to my husband. Ke he is the boss of my house.
Okay, I will say yes. At present, I will say yes. So I had my all set
I
of
will add,
questions.
I will add to your satisfaction, Pooja, because I know that you are not satisfied with this answer. So my husband is the boss, but I tell him that this has to be done. So it is that way.
So yeah, we got it. We got it. Now, after the poster came up, there were lots of viewers and your followers who had put up questions. Like I will take the first question from Sarmishta. She's also our ECM member. She said that, ma'am, how do you manage to have me time? And if at all you have time for that me time, what do you do in your me time?
Perfect. Very nice question, Pooja. So, me time, actually, what, I would like everyone to understand that it is very important to prioritize, in this sector, because unless you don't prioritize, you cannot get your me time. If you are sailing in multiple boats, for example, if you take me, it's Small Wonders, it's Thai, it's my house, it's my friend circle, because I'm very active in that circle also. It's not that I keep on working all the time. Then you can count ECA also. So if I'm sailing on multiple boats, I allot some time to each of the work. So the whole day I don't keep on doing Small Wonders. So my time is divided, that 1 hour I pick up one sector, I work in that. Second, I pick up second sector and I work in that. And after my daughter goes to sleep at 9:30, after that pura ilaka mera hai. So I do whatever I like. So in that time, and these times, me time has to be taken out. No one will come and serve that me time to you in a plate. So that me time has to be taken out, and you yourself have to figure out ki aap kab free rahoge. So for me, after 9:30, my daughter is into bed. So I am relaxed completely till 12, 11:30, till whatever time I'm awake. So I think number one is to prioritize your work, give weightage, because sometimes, unnecessarily we give lot of weightage to the things which are not needed at all. So I think कि अगर आप उसमें थोड़ा सा compensate करोगे, तो you will be able to balance everything. Because each one of us, not me, but each one of us live a multiple life. We have multiple duties to do. So let's divide our strength and our administration in each sector, so that we allot proper time, and then we have time for ourselves also. Now coming to the question that what I do in my me time, I love to watch television. So that is number one thing. Second, I am in love with songs. So, I love to listen songs. And third thing is reading a book. So reading a book also very religiously every single day. I make sure that at least one chapter, not if the 10-15 pages, but at least one chapter I make sure that I read. And I read in a book, not over the mobile, because I cannot, that screen I cannot take for long when it comes to reading. So I have a book always in my purse, so I take it out and I read. So that is my me time. And talking to my friends like you all, they all encourage me. So talking with them, organizing parties for them is my me time activity.
So there's a lovely me time you have, and all these things you said, reading a book, that's very nice. Television is also very nice. So it is all about prioritizing things and giving weightage to each and everything. Okay. The one more viewers had asked a question, that is Krupa, that ma'am, you look so pretty, and what do you do? How do you look so pretty apart from doing makeup? Even we will also like to know a haircut.
So let me be very honest. I think it will sound a little sentimental and emotional also, Pooja. So in my school days, I was a person who was, passing through very, very, very high inferiority complex when it came to looks. I am a very mediocre looked person. I'm not that beautiful. I completely agree. But when I understood, that the beauty of your face does not matter unless the inner beauty comes out. So as I progressed in life in terms of getting myself matured, I think I understood that the facial beauty is nothing if inner beauty is not there. So I started working on my inner beauty. And when I talk about inner beauty, means brushing up your confidence. So that can be done with a lot of things, coming in contact with positive people, trying to do things which satisfy you, reading a lot of books, and that generated confidence in me. I started trying new things. For example, this haircut, when I decided to chop off my hair, I had beautiful long hair. So that time, many people came in my way and they told me that this is looking boyish and this is not suiting you. There were many people who came and who told me that this suits a lot. Each statement was taken but was filtered in me, because when I take any one statement, I do not take it into my heart. I will filter that statement कि वो statement मेरे को कितना justify करता है. Because here I will like to quote this very wonderful title of Sanjay Dutt's book from his movie, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. अब कितना सुनना है ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. So I think it was a very big shift from my being an inferior person, and then shaping up, because the whole confidence has brought me to what I am today. So I think confidence and taking steps. Kabhi bhi, I have never been hesitant in taking challenges or taking opportunities which came in my way. कितना भी आया है, मैंने हमेशा लिया है और positively लिया है, and I have fallen, I have crashed. But I think I've gathered everything. And as I said, I was a person, nakta, jisko bolte na. So I was that kind of a person. I will forget the errors that happened with me. I will mend everything and get up tomorrow morning. So I think that is the way of life. And I think the secret beauty job bol rahe ho, I think that is the secret.
I think Krupa's question is very well answered. So I really love that line of gathering everything, filtering everything, because I remember your lovely long hair. And one day suddenly you have cut it, and I was definitely shocked to see that from a long lengthy hair it has come to short. But anyway, you look very good in this also.
So
And
Pooja, 1 minute,
now,
if I can take and I can answer one thing, if you allow me.
yes, sure.
Yeah. So when I'm talking about, about the inferiority complex that I told you, when today I am talking over the camera, there are many classmates or my classmates who come up to me and tell me that, Harshda, your personality has totally changed in school, how you were in a shell, because that time for me, that facial look, that facial appearance, that facial beauty was mattering. So then when I came off that, I think I started building inside. So today, when I face the camera, that beauty does not matter to me. That physical beauty of my face does not matter at all. So I think that shift from that school days till today, all my friends, one by one, every one of them have commented to me, that Harsha, how you were in school and how you are today. So I think that inner beauty, if you start, getting over it, it will lead you where you want to go.
Yes, here I would also like to add one line that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So forget
Correct.
everything is all nice. And we have Nupur Gorasia asking that. This is a really very lovely question, that how to become favorite of other women being a woman. Your woman are Miss J's, always jealous. But then how to become a favorite of other women, as she is your very big, a huge fan of yours.
So here also, I think if I talk, it will sound like philosophical talk, but I think that when you meet a person, there are some vibes that are emitted from that person. So if you meet a positive person, obviously positivity is emitted. If you meet a negative person, negativity is emitted. So I think I have my bank is full of positivity. So I think that positivity is what attracts other people and makes me feel loved, and that is the way they love me, they appreciate me, and they take me in their stride.
So there
Thank
is
you,
no
Pooja.
doubt that all the women also love you so much. I don't know about the men, but women definitely love you so much. There must be few, but women definitely love you, and we all like being friends or being working with you in all manner. Look very much high upon to you. Now we have Mr. Sohil. So I was talking about men. Even men have questions for you. That do you? This is what he writes. I will quote it as he has written. Do you often get to hear that your energy in work is infectious? That is, of course, positive. So मेरा जैसा ही है, उसको भी ये सब पूछना है because he's also
So I think, Pooja, this question, many of them have asked me, and still they are asking that ये energy आप कहाँ से लाते हो, and what keeps you going, and why all the time I feel that you are smiling and you are always energized. I think, as I mentioned, that is the inner drive that drives me. Whatever I have feeded in myself, because I have always read books which give me courage. I have never read books, कोई ऐसी नॉवेल मैंने नहीं पढ़ी आज तक कि जो मुझे ऐसा लगे कि वो इसका एंड में ऐसा होगा. I have always read books which are enriching, which build up your confidence. I think if you start reading those books, they become your language. So when you talk to people, when you meet people, I think that is what you emit. So I think that keeps me driving, because and a lot of biographies also. Yesterday also I was, when hearing Swati ma'am, she also mentioned, because I also read a lot of biographies, and especially when movies like Milkha Singh or Mary Kom, these kind of movies really are a motivators, and when you see their struggles, you feel that आपने तो कुछ struggle किया ही नहीं है. So I think if that
exactly.
is the way of life, I think because people have much bigger battles than what you and me fight every single day. So I think we are peanuts in that matter. So I think if you get up in the morning, that is what I do. Every single morning I get up and I have to tell 5 positive sentences to myself. And the first sentence that I tell to myself is that I love myself very much. And I have all the possible courage to do everything in life. So I think those 5-6 sentences that I have prepared for myself gives me that courage. And not only in the morning, but whenever I'm free, for example, I'm standing in the balcony or sitting on the swing, it suddenly, keeps on my mind. And I start speaking with myself. And at times, my son also comes and tells me, Mama, su tame ekla ekla baat karo cho. But I think I am programming myself in that course. That is what I think
Yes.
explains to Sohil.
So affirmations also play a very important role in our life,
Absolutely.
and the power of positivity. I'm also collecting many things and remembering. Let me tell you, being close to you, I have always seen this and noticed these things. Here I am taking a formal and asking questions, because these questions even revolve in my mind time to time, and I'm getting very transparent answer from this. The one more question from Chitra ma'am, Chitra Bhandari ma'am, that what do you notice the first thing in the person when you meet them for the first time?
So Pooja, here also what I say, vibes. First of all, I think the vibes connect me. And second, I'm not a very judgmental person, because earlier I was, but I have always failed in my judgment. Because if I think ye aadmi, this person is going to be very selfish, this person is going to be very cooperative, it has always been the opposite. So I have stopped judgmenting people. So I think the vibes, keep you connecting. एक आध दो बार जब आप मिलते हो तो vibes connect करते हो. But पहली बार जब मैं मिलती हूँ किसी को, so I think the eye contact and what he gives to me or she gives to me will, start the second contact with that person. So specifically in the appearance, I don't look at anything, but yes, the vibes, and I think I have that strong sixth sense to understand that person. So I think that takes me further in any relation with that person.
That's very true. The vibes and the intuition always works.
Absolutely.
That's nice. And now one question is there, that if your name was not Harsha, then what it must have been? I have an answer, but you have to answer this first. I will also like to answer this question.
I will take your answer first.
I think it could be Bindu, to the point, always to the point.
Okay. So I don't have any other name for me. I have never thought, because I really love my name. Though it is an outdated name. Generations पहले हर्षा नाम हुआ करता था. आज तो कोई रखता भी नहीं है. It's a very different name, but I like the meaning of my name. Harsha is to give happiness, Anand. So I like that name. But my husband has given me one name, Don. He calls me the Don of the house. That is the Don of the house. So if at all, if you want to rename me, you can use this name. I don't like it, this name, because I find it a very villain kind of a name, because I don't think I'm a villain. Maybe it's their choice. I don't know.
No, but here I will go with Girish. DON is એકદમ appropriate છે એટલે એ જ રહેવા દેવાનું છે. And Harsha is very true. You spread happiness that we all have always seen you doing. Now, there is a question from an educator. She is a teacher, Gitika Chandramani, that she's asking you that this is the time, a lockdown time, a crucial time when this fear of virus is there. So, being a teacher, she has a worry that when the school will reopen, so how to overcome this fear from children about the virus and even herself when she'll also going to school. How can she come out from this virus and make children happy and fearless from this disease?
So Pooja, I think time is going to only be the answer for this, because we ourselves don't know that when the schools will, open and when we will resume back. It's a very tough question. But yes, to yourself, I think being with positive people, not hearing a lot of negative news, and trying to be safe, listening to the government guidelines, following all the steps that are given by the government. I think keeping your own self safe is going to be the only answer. And here, if you yourself are going to be the person who is always going to be जिसको बहुत चिंता होती है, तो I think it will reflect in your behavior, and that reflection will pass to the children. So I think that you yourself, because कुछ चीजों पे अपना बस नहीं चलता है. So these are those kind of things कि जिसपे अपना बस नहीं चलता. So might as well accept that things, और जो गाइडलाइंस है, सेफ्टी मेजर्स है, आई थिंक उसको हम लोग फॉलो करें और धीरे धीरे टाइम पास करें. आई थिंक इसके अलावा इसका कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज द मोर यू लिसन टू द न्यूज, द मोर पैनिक यू विल क्रिएट. सो आई थिंक स्टे अवे फ्रॉम देयर एंड ट्राई टू टेक ऑल द सेफ्टी मेजर्स. बच्चे जब स्कूल में आएंगे, इट्स अ लॉन्ग टाइम टू गो, सो वी विल हैव अनदर चैट फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. बट फॉर टुडे आई थिंक फॉलो द सेफ्टी मेजर्स and do not panic at all. Thank you.
So Gitika, I hope Gitika's question is well answered. So at time we just have to be relaxed, keep away from negative news and take the maximum measures we can.
Yeah.
Yes. Now, as we end, I have two more questions. What is your guidance to the teenagers? Because we have teenagers in our house, so I want your few comments for the teenagers.
So Pooja, every single time we have a talk over the phone also, you always direct me to do something for the teenagers. But I will really very honestly accept here that teenage is a phase, where children want their independence, where children do not want anyone to interfere in that zone. So I think my son, who is 21 today, I think if I enter his life, his private life or his physical life, whatever, supposing if he's doing anything in the room, I feel कि वो क्या कर रहा है, मैं जाके देखूं. But that for him is an interference. So I think a combination of interference and liberty will make life of a parent and a teenager better. So a sync should be there. So as a mother, I think my friends tell me that I am very carefree, I am very careless, but I think ज्यादा कुछ कर नहीं सकते उनकी लाइफ में भी, बिकॉज वंस यू स्टार्ट गोइंग एंड टेलिंग देम बियॉन्ड अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, दे विल बी रिबेलियस, they will answer back. So it comes to a respect of that relation. So it is very important to manage that and enter someone's life and create a balance, to be present and to be absent in the same manner.
Yes, this is noted by me. And here I would like to share that I have a son. એને કાઈ બી કહેવામાં આવે ને તો his first question will be, તમે હર્ષા મેમને પૂછ્યું છે ને, તમે એને પહેલા પૂછી લ્યો. If anything related to his education, I think that is so much he also looks upon to you, that he does not trust me to that extent कि नहीं, પહેલા you have to get that confirmation from there that that is approved, then we move further. So it is very nice. And now being an educator, teacher for a long time, what special lines you want to tell to the teachers of today?
So Pooja, not to teachers, but specifically everyone, I would like to just mention that as we were talking about stress, any work, specifically if you talk about teachers, any work that you do, if you've chosen it or if it is thrown upon you, let's inculcate love in that. If you are able to put love in whatever you do, that stress will automatically go away. And when you add this love factor in whatever you do, you will open many windows and many doors, and you will start exploring a new life. So I think if we talk to educators specifically, the main challenge today is to do online sessions. So let me tell you that करके ही उसमें हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. You have to dive in the water to learn swimming. You cannot read a book and do it. So for everyone here who's listening to me as an educator, please jump in this online session. It's a trial, error, experiment, redo it, and then self-improvising in that process. And that only will keep you going. So for these educators, I think this is the suggestion that I can offer.
So I think we come to the end of this wonderful conversation, Harsha in the Hatke mode. And I mean, there are so many takeaways from this chat. And the questions I have also read of all the viewers, and I hope they all answered so well. And we look forward with this kind of conversations and heart to heart with you. Thank you so much for being here and answering to all these wonderful questions and, encouraging us, inspiring us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Thank you. And thank you all the audience who've posted the questions. And thank you everyone for joining. And I regret for the inconvenience that was caused due to this internet connection. But I'm sure that you're going to love this because I found it very, very interesting and very, very enjoying to answer the questions. जितना मैंने सोचा था उतना grill पूजा आपने नहीं किया. So thank you so much. I was waiting कि आप बहुत मेरे को परेशान करोगे. But you've been a wonderful, wonderful host this evening, Pooja. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you.
Thank you.